if you have a Jeep, this is what you got to go with. Go with mud terrains. Go with something thick, something heavy, something rubbery. That's what you want on your Jeep. You don't want no little girl tires. And actually, in her words, these tires are pretty. I want to go with these. That's what she said. Literally, that's what she said. Sub Tire Garage TV. What's up, everybody? Yo, welcome back to the channel. Today we're throwing on some monsters on this Jeep. So it's a 2007 Jeep Wrangler Sahara, and well, she needs tires. And honestly, she's going big. Go big or go home, baby. Especially if you're a Jeeper. So check it out. Check this out. Here she is. 2007 Jeep, little convertible top. She's got these are technically what, 32s on 20-inch wheels. So that's what she got right now. 275 55 20s on a Hankook all-terrain. They're decent tires. They're not bad. And it truly is. It's a decent tire. Hankooks are not bad. They're good tires. And those all-terrains actually look, for my taste, they actually look pretty good. But this is what she's getting. Let me show you. All right, just brought them out. Here they are. Woo, these are big suckers, man. These are big suckers. Check it out. 305 55 20. These dudes are big. Look, I'm 6'3". These dudes come up to almost my hips, right? These are big ass tires. But that's why you got a Jeep. Let's do it. All right, let's get to work. Let's get it started already. Because the rack isn't available though, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna bring it in, ass in first, do the two rear tires. Then I'm gonna do titties in first. Bring in the front tires. That way we'll knock out all four. It's a little after hours, so it might be a little dark by the time we're done, but hey, it's okay. It's okay. Let's get to work. Let's get to work.
15-year-old and a 12-year-old.
Another happy customer. All right, let's close up. It's late already. Took a little longer than expected. It doesn't take me that long to do tires. It's just that it takes me a while because I'm recording and doing this stuff all at the same time. And plus, I cut a little off of the fender. I probably have plastic all over my face. I know I have it all over my shirt because when you would go reverse and turn all the way to the left or all the way to the right, it would rub a little bit. So there was a little bit of a rubbing issue, but that got solved. It was literally a little plastic here. Let me show you. Literally, this thing was the cause. Catch you guys on the next one. Thank you for joining. I'm gonna put the Instagram up here, my Instagram, and then the shop's Instagram. I do a lot of stories, do a lot of stuff on social media, so join me there. Go follow those two accounts if you have an Instagram, And I appreciate that. So I'll catch you with the next one. Thank you for joining. Have a good night. Sweet dreams. Blah, blah, blah. See you on the next one. All right? Later. Let's get to work. I spit on that one. Let's get to work.